Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. This will be for my Pisces, Sun, Moon, and Rising. I do consider these weekly readings timeless, so whenever you're guided here, just trust that it is the right time for you. Alright, just tapping into this Piscean energy. There's something here that you may have been like ruminating about or at unease. There's some kind of tension here around something that you feel like you need to let go of, but can't seem to move forward. And let me just get one more. Or two. Okay. On the bottom of the deck, we do have the World. The World speaks to success, speaks to full cycles, things coming back around, completions. And there's something here about reciprocating energy, putting out that which comes back to you, the law of cause and effect, how, the energy that you put out is what comes back to you. Sixes are usually a very harmonic number here, but with the 10 of Wands in reverse, 10 of Wands upright would be like letting go of something or needing to let go of something that's been weighing on your shoulders. In reverse, it's you're not letting go. It feels like there could be some kind of energetic attachment here, something that you can't get out of your head or that you've been ruminating about with the Four of Swords in reverse. We got the Queen of Wands beneath you with the Six of Swords. So she is a very magical female energy. And yeah, it looks like she feels like she needs to get out of some kind of toxic situation or leave behind something that maybe wasn't good for her mentally. This is interesting. What is this? And then in the future, we've got the Sun with the Four of Cups. The Four of Cups, somebody could be closed off. There's a feeling like someone is, look at how his posture is. Like he is not willing to accept the offer. It's like a refusal. There's some kind of disappointment. Yeah, it feels like Spirit trying to give you something, the universe trying to deliver you something emotionally that could emotionally be beneficial for you and provide stability. But there's some kind of disconnect here. And the sun wants you to be happy, wants you to be joyous and fulfilled. It brings you energy and light, enlightenment, growth. But it just feels like there's like you're closed off, or like there's someone here that's closed off, not willing to open up. Well, we're gonna go a little deeper on this. We're gonna go with the Slavic folklore deck for my Pisces. We got the bouquet. The bouquet with the child and the herald. Reward, pleasure, flattery. A gift that's somebody was trying to give you something, or I feel like this is the universe trying to give you something, spirit trying to give you something that it just feels like something that will actually help you on an emotional level, but there's something here blocking it, perhaps, with the child and the herald. The herald is about change, transition, opening to new ways. And the child is about being playful, innocent. There could be something with inner child here. Well, that was supposed to bring clarity, and it just kind of... Let's get some animal spirits and see if we can change, transition, movement, reward, new beginnings. Tell me about this energy for my Pisces. Got the cobra. The cobra is the inner teacher. And the oyster. The oyster is about opening up as well. It's a very like generous, giving energy. But there could be some secrets here, some secretive energy. Could actually be closed off, but the oyster wants you to share something, wants you to open up, because there's actually that beautiful pearl within. But there could be some coping mechanisms here. You could be like on guard, guarding your heart. You got the fish in reverse. The fish changes focus often. This is your energy, Pisces. The fish in reverse could be distracted. You could change your mind often, not really know what you want. And this could be due to childhood, for sure. Yeah, the fish in reverse is actually just like this bouquet. It moves a lot. It's changing direction. Did you refuse a gift from the universe, Pisces? Queen of Wands, you could be dealing with a fire sign, female, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The fact that it came out with this Six of Swords, the Six of Swords is about leaving behind toxic situations. So I don't know what that's about, but there's definitely something here that is attacking your peace. Let's go with the Twin Flame Journey Oracle. Get some clarity here. Let's see. What is this? Let's look at this Eight of Wands in reverse. My Pisces. We got the guide. Yeah, like, I'm telling you, you guys could be, like, missing some signs. Or I feel like the universe has been trying to give you something. Yeah. Look, I just said trying to give you something. We got the received. Maybe you did get a gift, or you did receive. We got the settling card. Are you settling, Pisces, for less than what you deserve? Less than what your soul is craving or trying to bring you? We got the action card. It may be time to take some action. Trust the vibrations. Vibrations don't lie. Trust how you feel when you're around certain people. Do you feel peaceful or tense? We got the victim here. Are you playing victim, Pisces? Or are you dealing with someone that is always in victim mode? Always complaining instead of actually, like, taking action? Don't talk about it, be about it, is what I'm hearing. We got the Fall card. The fall energy is when we prepare for endings. We prepare for winter. It's also when we would take and harvest all the fruits. What is that? We got the karmic partner in reverse. So you could be dealing with someone that is trying to show you, or is meant to teach you something. But being in reverse, this could be ending, or it's just not working, feels like. The key just fell off the table here. The key is liberation. It's destiny. It's also resolution. So what are you needing to resolve? The divine masculine is the action-orientated part of us. Okay, we all have masculine and feminine, but the divine masculine would point to taking action, using your will, stepping into your power, into your divinity. That's summer on the bottom. Summer is when things get hot, when there's more light, more awareness. And we have the cycles, which we had right here as well. It may be time for something new. It may be time for a change. We got abandonment on the bottom. Some of you may be feeling abandoned. This could be some of this inner child shit, or there may just need to have, there may need a resolution here. Okay, that word's really standing out to me. Let's go with the Love Oracle. Let's see what else comes out. My Pisces. We got a perspective. Better off, happiness, clear headspace, and foundation, family, security, established. So are you dealing with someone that you feel like you have or can build a solid foundation on or with? Or how are you building your own solid foundation? You could feel like what do you guys got going on here? I want to look at this Queen of Wands. We got karma on the bottom, cause and effect, consequences, debts. What did I say I wanted to go with? I'm going to get some tarot out of here. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go with the Twin Flame tarot for my Pisces. My gosh, you guys, we cannot make this up. This is literally the same. All right. Some of you guys may be like thinking about a commitment, committing to someone, building a foundation, even like moving in with someone, like thinking about, or yeah, that's what it feels like. We got the Tower here, divine intervention, unexpected upheaval. And then the Eight of Wands, which came out here as well. It came out in reverse here. So there is movement forward after this Tower, after this unexpected upheaval. This is also a card of communication. So maybe there wasn't communication, but then something changes, a new cycle begins, you get a new perspective, and then you decide you need some kind of communication with someone. I don't know. We got the, yeah, look, the Page of Cups, message of love. Listen to your soul, Pisces. I feel like your soul, spirit is trying to show you. Look, it's trying to bring in some new awareness. Look, there is a lot of karmic energy that you're dealing with. There's a karmic review here. What's coming through is like your own feelings of worth, what you're worthy of. Hearing do unto others. So to me, that would be like the golden rule, like that energy. I think we were talking about in the beginning, actually. Yeah, the first card you had is reciprocating energy, putting out what you understand that karma is this energy that makes sure that you get what you put out. And this new perspective keeps coming in as well. So maybe time to think about things differently, to make some new plans, some kind of new decision here. Got the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is someone that can think very logically. She is, she thinks on her toes. She's very sharp. She's very assertive. She's very direct. And maybe this is what's needed at this time, or maybe you're dealing with someone like this. Get the Page of Wands. I think that energy maybe excites you. We got a wise investment here. The Ace of Pentacles. Page of Swords. A good time right now with Mercury in retrograde, especially, and Venus, I think, is still in retrograde, to examine your thoughts. In the bottom, we got the Ten of Cups, contentment, joy, divine love, blissful relationships. But yeah, examine your thought processes. Right now, we're being guided to examine how perhaps we might even have like some kind of mind games or controlling energy going on, or I think this is just pointing honestly to how your mind works. You have to be careful with the thoughts that you entertain, the thoughts that you give energy to. This is why I always talk about like doing mental detoxes. We do have a passionate adventure that awaits you, but you're sitting in this energy of heartbreak right now, of heartache, of feeling burdened, something weighing on your shoulders. And the sun wants to illuminate you, wants you to grow, wants to shine a little light, a little awareness. It looks like you've already got some stability here with the King of Pentacles, but there's a need to balance some other areas. A need to balance some emotions and some mental energy here. As well as there could be, with the Devil coming out here, there could be some addictions, attachments, but the road that you're on is leading to recovery and tranquility ahead, if you so choose to move in that direction. We got the Six of Cups. There's some memories here or some kind of reunion. If this is a reunion, just make sure that you go about things in a balanced way. Make sure that you are giving what you want to receive back. All right, this does look like a new, it's a love initiation, a new beginning of love coming in for you, Pisces. Let's get, but yeah, I just feel like you have to put some things to rest here. Make sure that if you do decide to like entertain any past relationships with this reunion coming up, that you have open lines of communication, communicated directly, assertively, respectfully, right? But making sure that you have found solution. Remember that resolution is really kind of just standing out in this reading. On the bottom, we got emotional repair. You're working to repair a relationship that was once fractured. Past hurts are healing, and reconciliation brings hope. For my Pisces, we got goals. You have a clear vision for your goals and are steadily moving forward with motivation and confidence. We'll get one more for my Pisces. Thank you. Teamwork. Collaboration and teamwork are key to achieving your goals. You work well with others, respecting and supporting each other. All right, guys. Thank you so much for liking and sharing and commenting. Drop into the comments. Let me know that you are here. Do make sure you are subscribed. Tap that notification bell if you want to be notified of upcoming videos. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.